Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check for weak passwords in Google Password Manager in 2026. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser and select Google Password Manager. Once Google Password Manager opens, click on Checkup or Password Checkup. This feature scans your saved passwords and checks whether any of them are weak, reused, or compromised. Now click Check Passwords. Google Password Manager will scan your saved passwords and display the results in a few moments. After the scan is complete, look for the Weak Passwords section. Here you'll see passwords that are easy to guess or not strong enough for good security. Click on a weak password entry to view more details. If available, click Change Password to update it on the corresponding website. Creating a strong and unique password for each account is one of the best ways to improve your online security. Google Password Manager also helps you identify reused passwords and passwords that may have appeared in known data breaches. That's it. You have successfully checked for weak passwords in Google Password Manager. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google and Chrome tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.